Guys, welcome to this new video on machine learning and AI. In this video, we are going to test the capabilities of the latest multimodal model that is released by Google DeepMind, which is called as Gemini. So I am on their site, and this is how the site looks like. Welcome to the Gemini era. And let's go through their site to see what they are offering. So Gemini is built from the ground for multimodality reasoning seamlessly across. So they have multimodal inputs available, that is text, images, audio, and even code. And they have some videos here. He's the chief scientist who was involved in creating the thing. And they have a direct comparison with GPT-4, which is their rival right now. So they are also great, right? And they show that they are like more accurate than. So first of all, they have three models out. Out of those, there is this Gemini Ultra, which is like more advanced than the GPT-4 one, and it shows that it is like 90% accurate as compared to GPT-4. So these are some comparisons, direct comparison with their biggest rival, that is ChatGPT-4, Gemini Ultra versus GPT-4. And this is how it looks like across general reasoning, math, code, which does better. And it clearly shows that across reasoning only, GPT-4 has won. There, but besides that, in other things, Gemini Ultra is the clear winner. And across different modalities like image, video, audio, also Gemini 4 is like the winner. So this is what they show, and these are the three models that they have right now: Ultra, Pro, and Nano. This is the most capable model that they claim. This is the most best model if you want to scale, and this is for smaller devices. Like if you want to integrate it on smaller embedded devices, then you can go for the Nano one. Now the question is that how to use Gemini AI. So the answer is very simple. You can just open your, like, it is available in the form of an API and all, but the safest and the free way to use it right now is through the Bard AI. So just go and search for the Bard AI, and it will open the Google's Bard chatbot. So let's check first Gemini AI is available. Uh, do you have Gemini AI integrated? So it shows that okay, they have it integrated, but it's not fully integrated, but it provides multimodal capabilities. So I have a screenshot of a website here. I'll show you the website. So this is the screenshot of some website. And what we'll try to do is that using the multimodal capabilities of Gemini, we'll try to generate the code to write the CSS HTML of this website. So I'll just give it a prompt that then, okay, so it gave me the code for this website and some JavaScript code also. And to check whether this is generated for Gemini AI or not, so let's ask the prompt itself again. Uh, how, which model has generated this code? So it shows that the code has been generated by including Gemini AI. So the output that you see is generated from Gemini AI. So the simplest way to test the capabilities of Gemini AI as of now is the Bard chatbot. Besides that, there are other paid ways also that you can check out on their website. And also, I am dead sure that there will be some API integration also soon coming from Google. And right now, one thing is that you can't upload videos here. So videos you can't upload. It's not possible in Bard AI. But in future, they are going to do that. So it says that right now it's not supported, but in future that might be. And like you can do that if you have a YouTube video. So you just upload it on YouTube, and then you can give the URL to but that then it will convert it to an embedding, and then you can like get the description and whatever you want. So this is how you can use Gemini as of now. I'm dead sure that in coming days it is going to get better and better, and Google will release other type of API integration and all everything. on their cloud platform as well as for other developers. So very excited to see what they provide in future, and I'm looking forward to see more engineering features from Google in this entire multimodal domain. I hope that you like this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment section below. Till then, see you next time, guys. Bye bye.